monologue. Justin Bieber comes to Africa. Come on.
Yeah, brilliant entry, Neville Bradshaw.
Good.
What's happening? What's happening?
Dude, you look like you're ready for the office, my boy.
Should I tuck this in or leave it out?
Don't tuck it in, dude.
No.
Yeah, that's on birthday. Just take your shirt off, dude. Chicks prefer it with your shirt completely off.
Later.
Check it, this one's ours. I'm trying to show the chicks out there. Dad.
Phone me. Put my number underneath there.
Just tell them.
Put my contact.
Where are you going, bud?
Right?
Are you going on a safari?
Yeah, jump in. Boy.
Hey, where are we going? Cruising down the street in my 6'4".
My little skate park.
Your mom's gonna be stoked about the spray paint on the work. On
It's
the
our
kitchen
little
top.
workshop. You have to.
Yeah, gotta be done. Day boy. It's may start.
Fucking wet out here, bro.
Is it wet?
Yeah. You like it like that, eh?
How's that breakfast there, bro? Yeah? Getting a few calories in there for the day. Never seen two oaks take so long to put a bicycle on a static trainer. Hey, rocket science. Dude, I'm doing goggles and all that dirty shit. You guys are just sat here talking, not getting anything done. Boys, you look like an athlete, bro. Mo Farah in the house.
We're out here at the round 1 of MX Nationals. What do you think, Nev?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a gnarly day. They've had a lot of rain here, torrential rain and stuff, and then was cancelled and stuff, but I think it'll be good. Like, the track should develop quite nicely. I'm racing the MX1 class and the MX3 classes, which is like the veterans class, like 29 plus. So yeah, just got to go out for qualifying now, like try to get like a nice gap and just try to bring some lines into the track and stuff, but I think it should develop quite good. So first race of the year, you're always nervous, you don't know where you're at. Do as much as you can for the off season and stuff, but it's always, you know, the first race you always get a bit nervous. So after today we'll kind of know where we're at, but yeah, excited to be back in South Africa. Seen a lot of cool guys that I haven't seen for ages and stuff, so that's cool. And yeah, just try to get my head down and do the best kind of races I can today, you know, like just 100% effort is all I wanted to do, and then just take away what we take away from it, so looking forward to it.
You came, you conquered, and we'll see you back in here.
Uncle Dave, top mechanic.
Brilliant racing. Super. Neville Bradshaw.
Greggy, for sure we're on the brand new bro. Porter says what's up. Check that premium, my boy.
His ice cream, man.
What I'm eating?
Hey guys, so just a quick recap on the weekend out here for the first national in South Africa. At Welkom, track was super gnarly to start with. We've had like really bad rains and stuff here, so qualifying was savage. We were first out of the track. I ended up qualifying 9th in the MX1 class, which is pretty gnarly. And then in the MX3 class, I was first in that. And then going into the races, first up was MX3. I had quite a good battle with that, and ended up first in that in the first heat. And then the first MX1 race, I managed to get the whole shot and probably led it for 4 or 5 laps, but just super tight, just like struggling with a few things, the track conditions and riding the 450 and stuff. Dropped back to second, and then just stayed there to get second the first race. Then the next MX3 race was quite a tough race, quite a good battle with Anthony Reynard. Managed to win that and get the overall in that class. And then the last race of the day was the MX1 race. Just kind of didn't get a great start. Got boxed in the first turn and came from about 8th or 9th and pushed through to 3rd and had a good battle for second. So managed to get second overall for the day. Pretty stoked on the improvements we made to the day, got like a lot more comfortable going forward for the rest of the season.